So I'm Ray Lichtenberg from Minneapolis, Minnesota, and wanted to get into LS Fest West action. So I brought my '87 Buick Grand National. It's an LS7, 427 cubic inches, the 2650R supercharger. It's a dry sump oil-fed system and all-wheel drive with C6 Corvette suspension. And we built it to autocross, road course race, get into some of that ultimate street car challenge situations, and be able to drive it when we want to. We like going cruising. We like using the car. So we decided to go with a harness bar to go after like autocross, speed stop, road course racing, even an occasional drag, quarter-mile drag. The inspiration behind this was to be able to just use it as a daily driver with maximum effort horsepower. Horsepower has become so easy with an LS platform. Traction has been another thing. And to incorporate all-wheel drive into a classic, old-school square body with 1,000+ horsepower and be able to use it for anything that you want, whether it's groceries or racing, this is it.